Welcome back to my channel. This is Aru Adish from Teddy Snack. In this video, I am going to show you how to install ngrok on your MacBook Pro M1 chip. What is ngrok? Ngrok is an application which enables developers to expose a local server to the internet with less efforts. Now let's install it. So first, to install it, open your browser. I forgot to say one thing. The pre-requirements you need is that you need an account in ngrok.io. You can sign it for free. That doesn't matter. Next, you need Brew pre-installed. If you don't know what is Brew, please check my previous video. Okay, now go to ngrok. Go here. Login. I do have an account, so I logged in. If you do not have an account, sign in. It is free. So just quit it and open my terminal. And I'll make it big. And I'll say Brew install double case gas ngrok and say enter. It is a good time to take a break. Okay, I do have it already downloaded. So now just go to your web browser and copy this. And before running it, please delete this slash and because it doesn't support on terminal. Now say enter. It will say auto token saved to configuration file, the location. Now we'll start it. HTTP 8080. As you can see, ngrok has been successfully installed on our system. Subscribe, share, comment, like, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye guys.